Hi, you are watching Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. The video is on making natural kokum juice at home. Garcinia Indica, popularly known as kokum, is a rich antioxidant and is well known as a famous summer drink. Also known as Vrikshamla in Ayurveda, the Garcinia Indica plant is found in the Western Ghats in India and in the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Chilled kokum juice is had as a delicious and cooling summer drink. In fact, all parts of the kokum fruit, including its seeds, is very rich in its nutritional content and has the power to benefit your body in many ways, building your natural immunity. This fast-growing plant bears fruits that are small and red in color, similar in size between plums and cherry tomatoes. Generally, the outer covering of this fruit is dried in the sun and then peeled off. The dried skin is then crushed into a sour and tasty spice. This spice finds an integral place in many Indian curries. And the fruit can be consumed directly and is known to offer multiple benefits. Did you know that this local summer fruit is power-packed with so much nourishment that it can give you some really great health benefits? Nutritional value of kokum. Kokum is rich in nutrition. 100 grams of kokum provides 60 calories of energy. Though kokum is low in calories and fats, it is rich in fiber and provides around 2 grams of fiber per 100 grams. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin B3, vitamin C, folic acid, calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, manganese and zinc. Acetic acid and hydroxycitric acid are also present in kokum. Immunity booster. Many components of this fruit are blessed with antibacterial and antiviral properties, making this fruit a vital player in handling many bacterial and viral infections. This is true for both topical as well as oral application. Studies have also proved that intestinal allergies can be reduced with the help of Garcinia Indica. Weight management. Drinking a glass of refreshing kokum juice not only makes one feel full but satisfied too. Garcinia Indica also reduces the conversion of carbohydrates to fats, thereby making it a highly effective ingredient for weight management. Improved intestinal health. The sweet, tangy, and highly refreshing kokum juice can play an essential role in improving intestinal health. Patients suffering from acidity and indigestion are known to benefit immensely from drinking this beverage. Skin care. Being a highly effective antioxidant, Vrikshamla is also used regularly in many anti-aging treatments. Not only does it repair and heal but also helps combat skin and tissue damage. Natural coolant for our body. Kokum fruit is a natural coolant and a glass of kokum juice gives us immense relief from the scorching heat in summers. It is amazingly refreshing and energizes us. It also prevents dehydration. Good for our heart. Kokum is low in calories but rich in fiber. It has zero cholesterol and is a powerful antioxidant. It keeps our blood pressure under check because of the presence of minerals like magnesium, potassium and manganese. All of these factors protect our heart. Reduces anxiety and depression. Kokum contains flavonoids, hydroxycitric acid, garcinol and anthocyanins. All of them contribute to increasing the levels of serotonin in the brain. This helps in reducing anxiety and depression. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video with your friends. And if not subscribed to our channel, subscribe Discover Agriculture.